Alright guys, this is my part 2 video of the Mc420b's, the finished look, some sound. Yeah, let's get to it. This is my lady right here. I got everything hooked up Bluetooth. Those are the actual speakers mounted. MCB420s. Mounted them up. I actually ran the actual amp inside my front pouch here, just because I don't have that much storage on this little bike. But you know, I kind of zip tied things up as best as I could. The two speakers here, they came wired into a harness, so it was very hard to actual wire through the bottom of the tank. But I ended up doing a good job. I actually electric taped the red positive wire, so you couldn't really see any red. I ran it under the tank. This is my rocker switch right here. I kind of left it out just so I could remind myself to shut my music off when I'm done riding. Let's give it a tune right here. Let's see what's going on. It's on the off right now. Try to do a better job here recording. It's kind of tough here with just two hands. Got everything hooked up Bluetooth. Let me get on this side. So you can see I got a custom exhaust, and it's still pretty loud. I took it for a ride, and I could hear it at 55. Very good. Hit play here.
17:38. I'm like, it was so long since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Got into the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it.
Yeah, these are very loud speakers here. This definitely first impression is very good. Let's turn her on, see if we can give it a ring. That's like my review, man. First impression, $64. I had to buy a rocker switch for like $2. A couple end connectors. I'm probably in it for $70, and I can't complain coming off of Bluetooth mounted punk speakers that I had last summer just to get me some music. That's it. If you guys have any questions on how everything's hooked up, any comments, just drop it in there. Alright guys, ride safe.